This product is trending on Amazon US right now, but popularity doesn't always mean it's worth buying. Did you know this tiny camera boasts a sensor larger than many professional videography tools, promising incredible low-light performance? Let's find out if the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 lives up to the hype. So, what exactly is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3? It's DJI's latest compact vlogging camera, designed for creators who want high-quality footage without the bulk of a DSLR or mirrorless setup. It aims to be your go-to tool for capturing spontaneous moments, travel vlogs, and everyday life with incredible ease and professionalism. Let's dive into the features that matter. First, the 1-inch CMOS sensor is a game-changer. This means significantly better detail, dynamic range, and especially low-light performance compared to smaller sensors. Think crisper shots in dimly lit restaurants or during golden hour without excessive noise. Second, its 4K per 120 frames per second recording capability is fantastic for creating buttery smooth slow-motion sequences. Imagine capturing a splash, a jump, or a fast-moving subject with stunning clarity and the ability to stretch those moments out. Third, the 3-axis stabilization is DJI's hallmark. It smooths out even the bumpiest shakes, ensuring your footage looks like it was shot on a professional gimbal, even when you're walking or running. Fourth, the fast focusing, especially with its dedicated face and object tracking, means you won't miss the action. It locks onto your subject quickly and keeps it in focus, which is crucial for vlogging or capturing kids and pets. Finally, its pocket-sized design makes it incredibly portable. You can literally slip it into your pocket, meaning it's always ready when inspiration strikes, no more lugging around heavy gear. This camera is perfect for aspiring YouTubers who need a reliable, high-quality camera that's easy to learn. It's also ideal for travelers who want to document their adventures without being weighed down. And if you're someone who loves capturing family moments with cinematic flair, the Osmo Pocket 3 will elevate your home video significantly. Now, for an honest downside. While the stabilization and sensor are amazing, the built-in microphone, while decent, isn't going to satisfy professional audio requirements. You'll likely want to invest in an external microphone for truly broadcast quality sound. Compared to action cameras like a GoPro, the Osmo Pocket 3 offers significantly better image quality, especially in varied lighting, and more advanced stabilization. The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.